Welcome, PIRCH audience. My name is Freddie here at the Solana Beach store, and I'm showing you a very, very cool piece of equipment. Well, cool. It's not that cool. It's the hottest grill that I have on the floor. To really appreciate it, we have to go all the way back to the time where Fred Carl, the guy that created Viking, said, I choose between a commercial range with fire sprinklers above it or a mom and pop range. It's not really a choice. He hired US Range to develop a range for the home, a commercial range, and it became a success. The boys that designed it, Randy Rummel and Serjeet Khalsi, saw the success, and they basically said, we can do that too. So they started their own company, landed the contract with Thermador to build their home appliances, and we're off to the races. On a service call, Randy Rummel realizes, hey, these grills are not up to par with the rest. So they basically, he puts his team to work, and they start figuring out, okay, how do I eliminate flare-ups? How do I diffuse the heat better? Well, flare-ups, they used, as many other companies, these little briquettes, goes between the burner and the grates, and it diffuses the heat perfectly. Great solution. Not good enough for Randy. He basically later on came out with this system. It's little bars, but the unique thing about this is it can create a lot higher heat. So that was number one. Now, the really cool thing what he did, I hate flare-ups. I like salmon. You know how you have flare-ups and your salmon sits in the sea, you try to move it? Try to do that. Doesn't really go well. The grease of your steak from the day before gets transferred to the front and no more flare-ups. Kind of awesome. So Fish and Paykel buys this company in 2004. The boys say it's time to do something else, and they basically leave it alone, the grill alone, for a while, and they basically are busy with indoor equipment. So in 2018, they had the time to basically figure out what should we do to create a new grill, and this is it. It is the DCS 9 series grill. The DCS has still the same heat diffusion plates underneath it, the little sticks. The grates are the same. The bottom part is pretty much the same. The thing that they did do is add a glow igniter to it. An igniter that basically is less sensitive to grease and dust and that kind of stuff. The other thing that they did is they added accessories to it for smoking. You can put a tray in there for charcoal, smoke, a griddle even, so more versatile. Lights underneath it for the darker days. Actually a very nice grill. So this grill, one of my favorite picks. I would say, you know what, I would buy it myself. Main reason, it has full range of heat. It has the flare-up prevention. It has all the features that you would expect from a luxury grill. The line is pretty complete. It has large griddles, asados we call them, under-counter refrigeration, both drawers, in-swing door, all kinds of storage possibilities, drawers, doors, you name it, and pretty complete in that way. I would like to invite you, make an appointment at PIRCH.com. My name is Freddie, be glad to help you. I have many colleagues that will be glad to assist you. Looking forward to seeing you.